हेलो दोस्तों, पी के स्मार्ट मोटिवेशन की एक नई वीडियो में आप सबको खुश आमदीद। तो चले वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Let's start. Closures at Torkham, the key crossing between Pakistan and Afghanistan, have become all too frequent. Full stop. In the latest development, the border crossing has been shut for transporters since Saturday, after the authorities reportedly called for Afghan transporters to acquire visas for entry to Pakistan. Full stop. Pedestrian traffic at the border has not been affected. Full stop. The Afghan Taliban administration has imposed similar restrictions for Pakistani transporters. Full stop. Officials from both sides have been holding negotiations to end the deadlock, but thus far, there has been no success. Full stop. Transporters and traders, meanwhile, complain their business is suffering due to the closure. Full stop. There have been several such closures of late. Full stop. In fact, Torkham remained closed to all traffic for more than a week last September, after border forces clashed over the construction of an apparently illegal structure erected by the Afghan side. Full stop. The problem at Torkham can be viewed from the larger lens of poor Pak-Afghan ties. Full stop. Though initially, there was a feeling that the new rulers in Kabul would provide Pakistan a friendly neighbor to the west, ties have been testy between Islamabad and the Taliban. Full stop. Among the key reasons for this is Pakistan's assertion that TTP terrorists are finding shelter on Afghan soil. Full stop. The Torkham closure is an extension of this mistrust. Full stop. Pakistan has valid reasons to ask all those entering the country to provide travel documents, particularly from a security point of view. Full stop. However, the process for border crossing, both for traders and other visitors, should be transparent and streamlined. Full stop. Officials from both sides need to hammer out SOPs that ensure there are no more misunderstandings. Full stop. While Pakistan is a key gateway for Afghan traders, this country also benefits from access to Afghanistan, and beyond to Central Asia. Full stop. Therefore, a solution needs to be found through diplomatic channels so that trade traffic continues unhindered, and Pakistan's concerns are also addressed satisfactorily. Full stop.
अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर लाजमी करें और बेल आइकॉन को भी दबा दें।